working with Expression Engine and the Multi-Site Manager, how to set up a new forum. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're at your right site. And in my case, I am. I'm at a secondary site called EE for Beginners. And I've clicked on Modules and I've chosen Discussion Forum. And what I then need to do is I need to take a look at which particular forums I already have set up. I do that by looking at Forum Board Home. So I have CI How To, EE Beginners, etc., etc., etc. So if I want to add a new forum board, I simply click on Edit Forum Boards. It comes up and it says, oh, these are the ones you already have. Would you like to add a new one? So I click on Add a New Forum Board. This is where it gets critical. You need to change all these settings. So under General Settings, the forum board label, I'm going to say Sample. And then my forum board short name is also going to be called Sample. Then where exactly do I want my forum URL to go? And in this case, I'm going to eebeginners.com / instead of the word forums, I'm just going to put sample. And then it asks me which particular site I want to use. And in this case, it's EE for Beginners. And then what's my forum triggering word? And in this case, I'm going to use the word sample. It wants to know if I'm going to enable it, which is true. I come down and I figure out everything else that I want. In this case, I'm going to check my default forum theme, and I'm going to use minimalist, text in HTML, allow all HTML, convert, etc., etc. So then, when I'm all finished with this, I click on Update. Okay, so now I've got a new form, but I need to start changing things. So I'll need to go into Forum Management, and I need to add a new category. And in this category, I'm going to give it a name of Sample. I can give a description. My category status is live. I can look at my preferences if I want to, but I'm just going to click on Submit. So now I have a new category. I need to add a forum to this category. And in this particular forum category, I'm going to call it Chatter. It says, where does it go? And I can change it if I want to, but right now I only have one thing in here, and that's that. I click on Submit, and when I'm prompted to visit the forum, it takes me to, you can't see it here, but it takes me to eebeginners.com / sample. And under Chatter, I can put in a new topic. And you'll see it is using minimalist, and I have 2 additional themes that I can use. And then I'm going to submit the post. So now I have a forum called Sample, and if I want to go back and look at the original one that I built for this site, you'll see that it's going to eebeginners.com / forums, and you'll see that there are different items here. There's chatter and there's discussion, so that's completely different. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to admin.php. Notice the URL, it's eebeginners.com/admin.php. And you'll see I'm back where I started from. Now if I want to change sites, I can. I can go to CI How To. I can go to EE for Beginners. I can go to EE How To, which is my original site. Now I'm using a third-party add-on so that I can see exactly which particular site that I'm in. You can find that out by loading in an extension. That extension name is called LG Add Site Name, where it basically will take the site name and save it for me, and it's got some HTML look and feel there. So basically, to reiterate, what we've done is we've gone in and worked with EE for Beginners and set up a new form for them. Hopefully that will help you with the problems that you're having. Just let me know. That's it for now.